Today I am reviewing the Lenovo 24 all-in-one desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to upgrading a home office, a student study space, or a small business storefront, the traditional desktop tower can feel a bit outdated. Dealing with tangled nests of cords, separate monitor setups, and bulky boxes under the desk is something most of us would gladly leave behind. That is exactly why all-in-one computers have skyrocketed in popularity, and today we are looking at a truly remarkable entry in this space, the Lenovo 24-inch all-in-one desktop computer. Finished in a gorgeous, modern ivory color, this sleek machine aims to blend minimalist design with incredibly robust internal specifications. Let's dive deep into what makes this particular model a standout choice for anyone looking to declutter their workspace without sacrificing performance. Now, when you first glance at the processor specifications, you might see Intel i3 and assume this is a basic, entry-level machine. But you have to look closer at the exact chip model. This is the Intel Core i3-N305 processor, and it packs a surprising punch with 8 full cores. This isn't the dual-core i3 of the past. It is an incredibly power-efficient, multi-core engine designed to glide through everyday tasks. But where this desktop truly shifts into overdrive is how Lenovo has configured the supporting hardware. They have packed an astonishing 32 gigabytes of high-speed RAM and a massive 1 terabyte PCIe solid-state drive into this system. To put that into perspective, 32 gigabytes of memory is what you typically find in high-end workstations and gaming rigs. What this means for your daily workflow is absolute freedom. You can effortlessly keep 50 browser tabs open, stream a high-definition video tutorial, edit a large family photo album, and work on a massive presentation all at the exact same time without a single microsecond of lag. The 1 terabyte solid-state drive means the system boots into Windows 11 almost instantly, and you will have more than enough room to store years of photos, school projects, business files, and applications. Moving on to the physical hardware, the 23.8-inch Full HD display is beautiful. The micro-border bezels give it a stunning, edge-to-edge look that makes the screen feel even larger than it is. It delivers crisp, 1920 by 1080 visuals with vibrant colors and excellent viewing angles, making it just as good for casual movie streaming as it is for typing documents or managing spreadsheets. Because it is an all-in-one, the entire computer is built right into the back of the monitor. There is no heavy tower to place on the floor, and the sleek stand lifts the display cleanly off your desk, leaving you with plenty of room for your keyboard, mouse, and notepad. The ivory finish is also a refreshing change of pace from the standard, boring black and gray plastics we are used to seeing. It adds a touch of brightness and sophistication that blends seamlessly into modern home decor or a trendy boutique counter. Lenovo also made sure this machine is fully future-proofed when it comes to connectivity. It features cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. If you are setting this up in a room that is far away from your home internet router, Wi-Fi 6 ensures you still get blazing fast, rock-solid internet speeds with reduced latency. Bluetooth 5.2 makes it effortless to connect wireless headphones, keyboards, and mice to keep your desk entirely free of clutter. Out of the box, the system comes preloaded with Windows 11, giving you a clean, intuitive user interface that feels snappy and modern. To wrap it all up, the Lenovo 24-inch all-in-one is an exceptional machine that redefines the budget-friendly desktop category. By pairing a highly efficient 8-core processor with a massive 32 gigabytes of RAM and a huge 1 terabyte solid-state drive, Lenovo has created a desktop that is an absolute joy to use for remote work, family management, and student learning. It looks gorgeous on any desk, saves an immense amount of space, and delivers performance that will keep it fast and relevant for many years to come.